Hey, Max here, and I'm really excited because I have a whole case of Star Wars Funko Mystery Minis. I've been waiting for these forever. It's really cool to finally get some Star Wars Mystery Minis. And let's take a look at the characters that we could get in this case. Okay, there's Luke, Leia, Han, Chewie, Obi-Wan, C-3PO, Darth Vader. Lot of variety in characters. I'm a little upset that you're going to get two Leias in this case. Now I'm going to pause here and take the plastic off so we get these open faster and see which figures we got. Okay, I'm ready to open my first box. I'm really excited. Unfortunately, I noticed something else. Darth Vader is 1 out of 72. There should not be two Leias, and you should definitely be able to get a Darth Vader in this case. So that's really disappointing. Besides the main characters I want to get, I also really looking forward. I want that Greedo really bad. So let's open up the first box here. Open here. Toss that to the side. Hopefully I get Darth. Yes. Well, it's a downside for cases out there, but fortunately I did get Darth Vader, so I'm really excited about that. Great start to this case. Okay, box number 2. And I'm just going to rip these out because I'm that excited. Okay, let's see who we got. Cool. And he is 1 out of 12. Nice. I really like the bobbleheads and the stands on these minifigures. Box number 3, and you can hear them bobbling. Let's see who we have. Whoa. A Stormtrooper. And he looks like, that's a cool looking one. I'll put them on the stand all at the end so you can see them all together. Alright, let's grab box number 4. Rip it open. See who we have. Yay, Princess Leia. There is 2 in a case, but she looks really cool. One of my favorites already. Box number 5 and 6. Open these together. See who we have. C-3PO. And this guy from New Hope, from the bar. I can't remember his name, but he's cool too. Box number 7 and 8. Uh-oh. Open it from the bottom. We'll get him open. See who we have. Yes, Chewbacca. One of my favorites. Yes, Greedo. So I got Darth Vader and Greedo. This is a great case. 9 and 10. Seems to be easier to open from the bottom. Obi-Wan. Here he is. And this is a small one. Oh, this is the other Princess Leia. And we'll just continue here. 11 and 12. And I got boxes everywhere. Get these open. I don't want to cut the mystery minis. Okay. Han with his head backwards. Whoa. Wow, I gotta fix this one. Alright. And a Stormtrooper. Now I'm gonna pause here and line all these up. Okay, now to give you my final thoughts, overall recommendations, and score for this Disney Star Wars Bobbleheads vinyl figure mystery minis from Funko. And for the figures themselves, I would say 5 out of 5. But that's not everything to consider here. I fared better than most of you out there. If you buy a case, your chances of getting all the characters you want is very slim. Now, there's a lot of Star Wars characters out there, but to have 2 Leias in a 12 case, and Darth Vader is 1 out of 72, so he's actually very rare. And I didn't get Luke. He's 1 out of 36. I didn't even realize that till I started opening them. So, because of the limited figures of mainstay main characters, and this is a decision Funko made in releasing, not the quality of the final figures themselves, but because of the rarity of some of these figures, you're going to have to get a couple cases to get all the figures you want. And that's not cool. Not with the main characters. I could see with some of the side characters. I'm very happy I got Greedo. So because of that, I'm going to take it down to a 4 out of 5 final score. And I'm going to also tell you my 3 favorite figures. I would say Greedo, Darth Vader, and this Chewbacca is awesome. Thanks a lot for watching this review of the Star Wars mystery minis. I really appreciate watching. Have a nice day. Bye.